To use Tawk.to on your desktop, just go to Tawk.to, log in with your login and password, remember me, sign in. Here you have monitoring all active chats. Here is all active chats. You have messaging, so you will have here all your messages, and for all your accounts, for example for this one or for this one. And what you'll need also is admin. Here is settings. So on settings you have all settings here. For example, property settings is here, property members, so you can invite members here, shortcuts, so you can have all these shortcuts to make your life easier, triggers, this will trigger your first message when you access your website. For example, if you go on our website here, we have our website, our chat here, and in couple of seconds we'll trigger first message, and after this will go if we will not respond to first message, will go second message, this one. Okay, we are not on our PC, please leave us a message. So you can cancel it and go to our information. But most what you'll need is property member, so you can invite members here. And here you don't need to do nothing. And this is all. I think most important information you will need for this is here. And if you leave your dashboard, if you go here and you leave this link open, if somebody will write a message, for example I will write hi, you see, hi, and you will receive a notification also. Yeah, it's on. So you need to go here on dashboard, click join, reply. So you'll see all this reply here. Also, if I write something here, you'll see what is writing, and you'll see this pen here. Don't reply until this pen will disappear, because he don't see your message. When you will write, for example, I'll write this message here as a user. As you see, he don't see my message, only you see, and he may change his mind. Maybe, what is the price? Yes, and he didn't finish, and you will say $50, and he will get very disappointed. What, he can read my message here, so he will get not so comfortable. So don't reply until he will finish his message. You may delete it and write other question. Okay, thank you.